Hi, key fans. You're my key fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the Allen Biggen, Biggenner, Biggen-Lanshan, B-lanshan1228-lanseshanfeng, sorry, not Fang, Feng, 116-piece Cherry Gateron MX Keycaps Set. Yeah, that's quite the mouthful, and it took quite a bit of looking around to try and figure out that much of what this is. Now, this is a $26 set. I wish there were more keys to it. And that's what the packaging looks like. Now, when I first looked at this, I was kind of doubtful about it because it looked like it was abstract. But after looking more carefully at it, I realized it's not exactly abstract. It has the characteristics of, say, a landscape in more of an impressionist style in a way. I'm not a fan of impressionism, but I thought, okay. So I really actually have kind of fallen in love with this. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit the keyboards I like the most. And I want to show you what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to hold this up because the packaging for this is not reliable about keeping them in place. They're not designed to stay closed. Okay, and here it is. At least the top layer anyways. And as you can see, one of them, just me lifting it up a little bit, got knocked out of place. I think it's rather pretty. What do you think? All right, let me show you the second layer. The second layer doesn't even have a cover for it. It's the first layer is the cover for the second layer. And here are some more, or the rest of them anyways. I wish they'd used the rest of these spaces for more stuff. There is a key puller or a keycap puller. It is kind of difficult to use. You really have to push pretty darn hard to get it down all the way to the bottom and then pull it up. But it does work, but it's annoying. So yeah, I think that kind of stuff right there is pretty interesting looking. Sublimation is a really cool way to put nice designs onto keys. All right, well, that's it. I don't know what that is supposed to be. I did almost forget one thing. This is the kind of posts that it requires. So make sure that if you're going to use these keys, they actually will work on your keyboard, because not all keyboards use these cross posts like this. Some of them have like big squares, and there are other styles as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. Whose life hasn't been challenging lately? So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Bleeping Computer for their support of my channel. If you need resources for computers, for getting rid of malware and learning about cybersecurity and stuff, Bleeping Computer, BLEEPING computer.com is a great resource. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.